Ever wondered how to make a resume shine when it feels like your work history is as blank as a new notebook page? It is a common challenge for many talented individuals, especially when starting out. The great news is you absolutely can show valuable skills on your resume even with no traditional work experience. The key is to think beyond paid jobs and recognize the skills you have gained from all aspects of your life. Employers understand that everyone starts somewhere. What they are really looking for is potential, a good attitude, and transferable skills. These are abilities you have developed in one area that can be successfully applied to another. They want to see that you are capable of learning, contributing, and being a reliable team member. Let us explore how you can uncover and present these skills. Start with school projects where you might have done research, managed a timeline, or presented findings, showing analytical thinking, organization, and public speaking. Think about any volunteer work you have done. Did you help organize an event, care for animals, or tutor younger students? These experiences highlight responsibility, compassion, and specific task management. Your involvement in clubs or sports, whether you were a team captain or just a dedicated member, demonstrates leadership, teamwork, problem-solving, and commitment. Even personal projects or hobbies like building a website, creating art, or mastering a musical instrument can showcase creativity, dedication, and technical aptitude. Babysitting, pet-sitting, or helping family members can be used to demonstrate reliability, time management, and caregiving skills. When you list these experiences, use strong action verbs to describe your contributions and the skills you utilized. Instead of saying, helped with school play, try coordinated set design for the school play, demonstrating project management and collaborative skills. You can even create a functional resume, sometimes called a skills-based resume, which prioritizes a detailed summary of your skills and qualifications at the top, rather than relying solely on a chronological work history. This approach helps tailor your resume directly to the job description, highlighting exactly what the employer is looking for. By reframing your experiences and recognizing the valuable skills you have already developed, you are not just filling a resume. You are confidently presenting a complete picture of your abilities and potential. This strategic approach shows employers that you are resourceful, capable, and ready to take on new challenges, making you a strong candidate even without prior paid employment.